Hi guys! So for today's video, we're going to talk about factors affecting reaction rates. So what are we waiting for? Let's go! So the first experiment is catalyst and featuring elephant toothpaste. So let's go! Add hydrogen peroxide with a 5 teaspoon amount. We will also add 2 teaspoons of dish soap and mix it with the hydrogen peroxide solution. Here, we also add food coloring onto it to make it more colorful, obviously. But it is optional and it depends on you if you're going to add it. After we add all the liquid ingredient in the solution, we're going to add the dry ingredient, which is the dry instant yeast, and mix it up and wait for the reaction. So as you can see here, after 5 minutes, the yeast reacted with the hydrogen peroxide creating a foam. To dig deeper, when hydrogen peroxide breaks down, it turns into oxygen and water. Normally, this breakdown happens very slowly, but you can make that reaction happen faster by adding a catalyst, which is the yeast. Yeast is an organism that contains a special chemical called catalase that can act as a catalyst to help break down hydrogen peroxide. Catalase is present in almost all living things that are exposed to oxygen, and it helps them break down naturally occurring hydrogen peroxide. This means that if you mix yeast with hydrogen peroxide, the hydrogen peroxide will rapidly break down into water and oxygen gas. The oxygen gas forms bubbles. These bubbles would usually escape from the liquid and pop up quickly. But adding a little dish soap provides additional surface tension, allowing the bubbles to get trapped and creating lots of foam. This foam looks like a giant squeeze of toothpaste, almost big enough for an elephant. Well, in our case, we just use a small amount for it. So for the second factor affecting reaction rate, we're going to talk about the temperature. So here, we're going to use Kreml S tablets in hot and cold water and differentiate the rate of their solubility in both liquids. After waiting few minutes, the solute, which is the Kreml S, already dissolved in both liquids. However, it is unanimous that the hot water dissolved more solute, which makes the water more cloudy or pinkish compared to its counterpart, the cold water itself. All in all, I realized that these experiments are awesome, and the world of general chemistry, or the chemistry itself, is an awesome world. Well, I conclude that these factors affecting reaction rates make our life easier and quicker. Thus, we should learn more. Thank you for watching.